Dear students, greetings from Dr. T. Sindhil Murugan, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Information Technology, Kakatiya Institute of Technology and Science, Warangal. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about operations of data structures. What are the operations we are able to perform in the data and the data structure that we will discuss in this video. This is week 1, lecture 2, classroom discussion topic 2. We are going to discuss about operations on data structure. After completion of this lecture, student will be able to apply the different data structure operations on data while student access the database. If you have any database, while you are accessing the database, what are the operations you are able to do? So that topic we will discuss in this video lecture. So data structure operations. The data structure is defined as a mathematical or logical model to store the data. That is important. How it is storing the data and perform operation on the stored data. So we have 6 operations is there. Okay. So common operations are traversal, insertion, deletion, sorting, searching, merging, and copying. Okay. So the 7 basic operations on data structures is there that we will discuss one by one in this video. First one, traversal. What is traversal? Traversal means process of visiting every element of the data structure at least once. Okay. So, for example, in student database is there. Okay. In student database, student name is there. Okay. Student name. So maybe in this data structure, we have 5 students' name is there. Means we will traversal, we will apply traversal means it will start from the first student name, it will read one by one. First student, second student, third student, up to 55 students. At least once we will visit the name in the entire database, that is considered as the traversal. Okay. So normally how it will be done means it will create the pointer. The pointer indicates to the current element, and whenever it is processed, it will plus 1. Okay, pointer plus 1, it will pointing to the next element. The pointer will reach the last element up to this element from first to last. It is considered as the traversal. Okay. When it is useful, when all the elements of the data structure have to be manipulated in similar way. Okay, so we want to change. For example, I want to add, I have the student name list. Okay, so in front of the student name, I want to add, if the student is boy student, I want to add Mr. The student is girl student, I want to add Miss. For all the student, I have to do this. So whenever I am checking, so I have to add means I will check one by one with all the students. Okay. So from the first student to last student, I have to do this operation. Okay. So this is considered the traversal. Next one is insertion. So normally insertion means we have to insert new data into the existing one. Okay. So if already database is there, one student, for example, second year student list is there. Okay, second year student list is there. So in this list, some lateral entry students are coming. So I want to add those students in that list. So what I have to do? I have to apply insert operation in the databases. That is considered as the insertion. So insertion always increasing the size of the database. Okay. So always it is increasing it. So if when we are considering the insert operation, we will consider about data structure also. We have stack, queue, and list. So these are the user defined data structure we are going to discuss in the further classes. So in this all data structure, we are going to insert the data. Insert operation will perform. So what happened till the place is there? If we are allocated some memory for that maintaining the data. So example, we are declared array A of 10. So how many elements we will store? 10 element maximum. So till that point we can insert that. Okay, we can add the data. So in case the stack and queue is there, if the memory is full means it will show that overflow. So when the stack overflow or queue overflow is there, then we are unable to perform the insert operations. Still that overflow condition, we can insert the element into the stack and queues and list also. Okay. So delete operation, again same thing. If you don't want to the particular data, we want to delete. So example, one of the student is detained from student list in that particular semester. We want to remove his name from the database. For that situation, we can use the detention. Okay. So whenever we want to remove the data from the database, for that purpose, we will use the deletion operation. Okay. It is depends on the data structure, we will do that. So example, again, stack is there. Stack, it will maintain, stack means it will use this one way in first in, last in first out. Okay, LAFO concept. So what happen if stack is full means we are not able to add, insert any element, not insert. If stack is empty, okay, so stack is empty here. So then we are not able to delete any element. That means already it is empty. What element we are going to delete? That is uh, underflow. Okay. So when we are insert, we have to check overflow. When we are delete, we have to check underflow. So underflow means there is no value for delete. So like that queue also we can follow the same thing. There is no element means we are unable to delete any element. In list also we will delete it using that location. In starting location, list we will discuss in the next video lecture. So it may be first element, second element, last, third element, fourth element, last element is there. We can remove from the first, we can remove from the last, we can remove from the middle, or which position we want to remove. That is also we can mention and we can remove it. So that is deletion operation. Okay. And next one is search operation. If the database is there, we want to search some data. So that is the searching operation. If the student name is there, I want to find the particular student name. Example, Ramesh is there. Okay. So this Ramesh name is there or not. I have to check in the student name list. Okay. So that is considered as the search, finding an element in the existing database. That is considered as the searching. For searching, we need the key value. Key value means that's which value we want to find it. That key value will match with the any element of the data structure. That will be considered as searching operation, finding operation. Okay. If key value does not match, what it will do? Okay. So it will says that it will return there is no value found in the database. Otherwise, it will say the error message. The data is not matched with any of the data. So like that, we will perform the search operation. Okay. Next one is sorting operation. Sorting means ascending order and descending order. We know that already. If we will arrange the data in some order, okay. So ordering the data is considered as the sorting. So arranging means it may not only for ascending order. If you will follow some order, in that order data is arranged. It may be the ascending order or it may be the descending order. So any one of the order we will arrange the data with our databases, then it is considered as the sorting. Okay. So how it will perform? It will take one value, it will compare with the next value. It is greater means we can swap the values. If it is not greater means we will keep the same value. We will go to next value and take and will be compared with. So many sorting techniques are there. That we will discuss in the last unit. But sorting is one of the important operation in databases. Whenever we want, if in case I want alphabetical order of names, okay, then I have to choose that student name. I have to perform the ascending order. If in case I want to arrange the student name list as per roll number, I have to choose a roll number. I will perform the sorting operation as per number wise. Okay. So I want to find those who are failure in the particular subject. So I have to select the marks and I have to sorting it based on the higher number to lower number. So it may be in the descending order. So those who are getting pass mark, they may be in the top, and those who are getting less mark, they will be in the bottom. Like that, we will find out the students from the list. First, we have to sorting it. Finally, merging. Okay, so if two files are there, I already told you know. So if the student file is there, one is name and another one is roll number is there. Okay, so here another file is mark sheet is there. Mark sheet lo. So only roll number is there, roll number and mark 1, mark 2, mark 3 is there. So I want to merge these two files. How we can merge? Which is the common value, that is key value. Here here roll number, both are common. No? So based on this is the primary key I'm saying. So based on this primary key, we can merge the data. Okay, merge means combining two different files. So it may be merged to data structure also. It may be some relational database, it may be used array, and another database may be used for tree structure. They wants to merge means some new data structure will be generated. That is also considered as merging. So finally, copy. So copy means we can copy the content. Okay, so whatever database is there, we will copy the data and paste it into somewhere. We will create some other files, or we want to change the data somewhere. We will copy paste. We can do no. So same operation will perform in the data structure also. So now we are in the end of the video lecture. The small question is there. You just try to answer it. Which operation supports to add two files in a single file? Okay, so 10 seconds time is there. You can answer it. If you are say correct answer, we can proceed further. Otherwise, you will go back and watch the video and answer it. Okay, thank you. So your time is over. Now you can answer it. If your answer is correct, then we will proceed further. Okay. So merging operation, we can merge two files into a single file. That is considered as the merging operation. If you return the correct answer, we will proceed further. Otherwise, go back, watch the video, and they will answer. Summary of this video lecture: we are discussed about operations on data structure. These 7 operations we are discussed. Okay, so first one is traversal. Traversal means we have to visit all the elements of the database at least once. Insertion means add a new element with existing database. Deletion means removing the data in the existing database. Sorting means arranging ascending or descending order of the data in the database. Searching means finding the key value which is available or not, that we will check it in the database. That is considered the searching. And merging means combining two files. That is considered the merging. Finally, copy the content and we can perform some operation used copying. That is the last operation in the data structure. So now we are in end of this lecture. Lecture level practice problem is there. You try to do this. So create an array with maximum size of 10. For example, A, that maximum size is 10. And traverse all the elements. So first you will collect the element for all 10 arrays. Then you have to visit one by one. So how you can say this? It may be you can print the values of all the elements in the array. That is also considered a traversal of all the elements. You print from first element to last element. That means it will print one by one up to last element. That is traversal. To insert an element in the ith position, the fifth position. So fifth position means A of 4. Okay. So this position value you have to remove it, and you have to insert it. If this element may be any value, some value, for example 10, it may be there, 10 may be inserted into A of 5. And you can delete the element of eighth position. Eighth position means A of 7. Okay. So if the array is there, you can create the program for this performing this operations. Okay. So display the output of every operation. After inserting, you have to display the entire array. After deleting, you have to show the entire array that you have to perform it. Lecture level outcome revisited. So now, having completed the discussion on operations on data structures, now students should be able to apply the different data structure operation on data while student access the database. Now you know what are the operations are there, where you are applying it, for what purpose we are using that operations that we are discussed. I hope you enjoyed this video. Even if you have doubt, you can read the content from Rimataraja textbook, chapter 2.3, operations on data structure. Also, you can check the tutorial sheets if you have further doubts. You come with that doubt, we will discuss in the classroom discussion topic. Thank you very much for listening this video. Thanks for now.